You ever teach a younger kid how to say, excuse me? And what do? Excuse me, 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 excuse me. And you're like, what? You told me to say, excuse me. We do that all the time. We give kids these kind of techniques, but then we don't tell them when and where and how to use them. So you should go one step further in the social domain, the causal factor for behavior, and be able to say, I'm going to tell you to say excuse me when you want to interrupt, but here's things that you should look for. If I'm still talking to someone, not a good time. If I look at you and do this, wait. We have to be that specific. What we've lost touch with is the fact that we tell kids what not to do, but I think we've kind of lost touch sometimes with actually giving them specifics of what to do. And when I say this, even to my older kids, they're like, you don't have to tell me, miss. And as soon as they say you don't have to tell me, it's a pretty good indicator that I had to tell them.